Hello, Berto. This week we talked about rational numbers and how to approximate it without using the calculator. For example, you can use an approximated value of the rational number root 5 as follow. Since 4 less than 5 less than 9, we want to approximate root 5. So we choose 4 and 9 because each of them is a perfect square and the number 5 includes between them, and by taking the square root of all of terms, then root 4 less than root 5 and root 5 is less than root 9, so 2 less than root 5 and root 5 is less than 3. Then we know that root 5 equal 2 plus any decimal less than 1. Then to find an approximated value of the number root 5, you can search for the values of the following numbers: 2.1 square, 2.2 square, 2.3 square. Then we will find 2.1 square equal 4.41 and 2.2 square equal 4.84. So we know that root 5 is greater than root 4.84 and less than root 5.24. So we can say that 2.2 and 2.3 and 2.3 are approximated value of root 5, and we can get more accurate values for a rational number root 5, and we can use the calculator to check the approximate value of root 5. Then we talked about real number. We know that the set of real numbers is the set obtained from the union of the set of rational numbers and the set of irrational numbers. It's denoted by R. As we see, real number is rational number union irrational number, and we notice that rational number intersect rational numbers equal phi. As we know, real numbers contain a rational number and rational number, and rational number contain integers and non-integers, and integers contain natural numbers and negative integers, and the natural numbers we know it contain 0 and count numbers. Then in geometry we talked about medians of triangle. We'll continue to talk about median of triangles, and we talked about theorem 3. In the right angle triangle, the length of the median of the vertex in the right angle triangle equals half of the length of the hypotenuse.